this in limits to make the equation simpler. Okay, and I'll show you an example of one. Okay, so this will be example one. Will be evaluate a limit of x approaches 1, root of x minus 1 all over x minus 1. Okay, this can be solved by rationalizing very, very easily. Okay, but I'm not going to solve this by rationalizing. Only, sorry, the question?
Is the negative 1 in the root or no?
No. The way I'll write this here, sorry, and I'm trying to do Waterloo style, as Mr. Lacey called it. That's the way you actually do it. You sort of put the hook on the end, right, to sort of show that it ends like that. Square root of x and then minus 1 all over x minus 1. You can do this by rationalizing, right, but I'm going to do this using substitution. The way you deal with substitution, excuse me, is you pick something that's ugly and get rid of it. So what, in looking at that question, Melody, when you look at that question, what is the less beautiful part of that equation for you?
The square root.
Square root of x. So I'm going to set m equals square root of x. You can use whatever letter you want. M is for Melody, so that's why I chose m. Shannon, can you change my equation now? Subbing in every say root x, you put in m, please. Go ahead. Yeah? Yes? But no, I'm going to write that on the board. Yes. Okay, so one second. Let me just talk and then I'll come to you. So Shannon said it changed that x changed to the m squared. Just to be clear why that is. If the square root of x is m, then plain x will be m squared. Does that sort of make sense for most people? Yes? Yes, and that's what we're going to do. Question? Right? Question?
Just say that x approaches m squared and then make for x just x. Like I chose x for mine, just sub it in.
One more time, sorry?
I chose the x and just made it like m squared instead. So that way like root x is still
Yeah. And that's what we did, and that's what we did there. So root x is m and then x is going to be m squared. Yeah. That's what we did. Perfect. Okay, so what do we do, John? Why is this helpful to us now?
Well, you can kind of back this bottom.
You certainly can. Go ahead.
That's going to be, let me state them, m minus 1
Yeah.
over top of m plus 1, m minus 1.
Lovely. Patrick, why am I happy? Other than the fact that I'm always happy. You certainly can. So it's going to be the limit. What's my numerator going to be now? What's my numerator going to be? 1. Okay. 1 over m plus 1. Now, this is looking wonderful. I'm feeling good about this question. But I got to do one final thing. Okay, guys, just in 1 second. What's the next thing I have to do, Michael?
Replace them with the root of x.
Yeah, because if you think here then, right, we're actually dealing with in terms of x here, right? So we're going to sub back in. So this turns into the limit of x approaches 1 over root of x plus 1, which turns into 1/2. Yeah, ready for a really fun one? I think I'm ready for a tough one. Are we okay with the basic concept here? Robert, how are you feeling about the world? Good. I'll be honest, today has sort of been, I'm just going to be honest, okay? But you guys are good, not this class. You guys are wonderful. Okay. Good? All right. Example 2. I am always happy. I try my best to be. I want you guys to try this for me.
Oh.
This okay? No, I'm gonna hit pause here, and then I'm gonna tell a joke. Okay, good. I want you guys to try that question for me. That's supposed to be a 9.